My dear citizens of Meghalaya, on the historic occasion of the 80th Independence Day of our beloved nation, I extend my warm greeting and best wishes to the every citizen of Meghalaya. Today, we remember with the gratitude Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and countless freedom fighters whose courage and sacrifice secured our freedom and shaped our democratic republic. We also pay tribute to Meghalaya's own heroes, Wu Tio Singh, Wu Kyong Nangba, and Pa Togan Ensangma. Meghalaya is working towards becoming 16 billion US dollar economy by 2032. Development must, however, always remain rooted in identity through the Meghalaya's official languages. Ordinance, Garo and Kosi have been accorded official languages status alongside English, reinforcing cultural preservation. Meghalaya continues to enjoy a peaceful law and order environment. We have also made significant progress in resolving long-standing border issue with Assam. 220 services are now covered under the Meghalaya's Right to Public Services Act, making services delivery to the citizens more accessible and time-bound. At the grassroots level, we continue to strengthen local institutions. Strong institution must ultimately translate into better livelihoods for our people. Our farmers remain at the heart of the Meghalaya's rural economy. CM Asho's scheme is providing rupees 100 crore in market assurance against uncertainty for our farmers. The recently set up of rupees 30 crore organic spice processing plant at Boirumbang is benefiting 5,500 farmers across 112 villages. To improve livestock conditions, veterinary services are being strengthened through upgraded diagnostic facilities, mobile veterinary units, and veterinary hospitals at Upper Shillong. Supporting nearly 34,000 fish farmers, Meghalaya achieved fish production of almost 21,000 metric tons in 2025-26. Our textile sector supports over 70,000 families. 3,600 cooperative societies are also driving rural development and women empowerment across Meghalaya. Meghalaya has adopted the new Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin scheme under the new VB Gram G Act. To strengthen mother and child nutrition and care, 1,625 Anganwadi centers have been upgraded into early childhood development and happiness centers. Mission Education has invested more than rupees 355 crores across 2,404 infrastructure projects in schools. Nearly 1 lakh students are benefiting from the Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme. In Meghalaya, more than 63,000 youth have been skilled. Shillong Tech Park has generated more than 1,000 IT jobs. The state is strengthening its fight against substance abuse through Mission Dream. Meghalaya is also strengthening its environmental security with nearly 76% forest cover and 179 community reserves. We remain committed to community-led conservation, river basin planning, road top, rainwater harvesting, and spring rejuvenation, and strengthening our regionalness towards water security. The government has achieved over 84% household tap water coverage under the Jal Jeevan mission. Meghalaya is also investing in transformative infrastructure to strengthen the foundation of long-term growth. For better air connectivity, Shillong Airport is going to be expanded shortly, and all the preliminary formalities have been completed. Barjak Airport in Tura is being revived, and new heliports are coming up. We also opening a new markets for our artisans and enterprises. The Reserve Buyer Seller Meet 2026 resulted in 40 MOUs between Meghalaya and MSME and partners from 9 countries. For a state like Meghalaya, tourism will remain a major engine of employment, and Meghalaya being recognized as a year-round tourism destination. To add Meghalaya's ecological pride, Sri Haliwar has recently been conferred the Padma Shri for his effort in conserving living road bridges. Meghalaya is slowly emerging as a sporting powerhouse, with mainly for our athletes already achieving high positions in archery, wrestling, swimming, and athletics. As we prepare to host the 39th National Games next year, we are expanding our sports infrastructure with more than 260 sports facilities having been completed and a network of 510 planned by 2028. Meghalaya is also currently hosting Durand Cup matches for the third consecutive year, with the 3 states clubs participating this year. Since Meghalaya attained statehood in 1972, it has transformed from a young hill state into one of the India's fastest growing economies. Let us continue this journey with unity, confidence, and a shared commitment to building a peaceful, prosperous, and inclusive Meghalaya. I extend my heartfelt wishes to every citizen of our beautiful state. Happy Independence Day! Kuble, Shubon, Mitela, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat!